Need some colour confidence? Here's how to use colour in 2022. Don't reinvent the wheel, use it. Opposites attract. These colours are the perfect partners. Or go side by side. They're already best friends. Let's not break them up. Find cool inspo. Go from white to wow. Here's our living room picks for 2022. Cooler colours like greens and blues are perfect for living spaces. Try saging your home. Along with sage green, you'll find more pastel shades. Memphis Milano is back, but the return will be more muted and dusty tones. Contrast your living from your bedroom. Bedrooms should be warm and inviting. Go darker. Experiment with darker shades like deep ocean blue greens or plum and eggplant purples. So feel free to be bold and experiment. Instead of choosing colour, create your colour. Capture it. Perfect it. Own it.
Joint on the corner where the big boys play.